Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is a Hotpoint first edition FEW12. It's a model FEW12P. I'm going to show you today how to do the lint filter on it. So down the bottom there's this plastic fascia, and it should be possible just by hand to pop it off like that. I just grabbed the side and pulled, and then in here is the filter plug. So because it's quite likely that water is going to spill out of this, I've put it up on a plastic tray, and this will catch the water that's inside. If there, yeah, there is some. Okay. And this water could have been here for quite a while. I think this machine has been left idle for quite a while, so let that water drain out. Just don't want to get it all over myself. There's some bits coming out with that water. There we go. And that's the plug. It looks pretty clean, really. Let's have a look inside. So inside there you can see it's pretty clean, and you've got the impeller blades there. There's a bit of rust or something here, so I'll just wipe that out of the way. Kind of greasy. And then to finish, just close it up, screw that back in, and snap the fascia back on. Just like that. And that's it. Any questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. See you later.